What up, YouTube? It's your boy KG, that boy out saying Clark Street shut down. Can't at least add it, shout it, man. What's going on? What's going on? Alright, guys. Done painting the door panel. Since it's out, I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole and put the shadow light in. This was the old one. This was the Oracle shadow light, and this one had the Batman signal in it. And you can see the size difference between the two. So I was thinking, like, when I got it, the hole would, it'd be the same size, and the hole would just go take the old one out and put the new one in. But this one's a lot bigger, and it's a lot bigger. A little bit. See if y'all can tell it or not, but anyway, this is where the old hole was, right there. So, about to make this hole and stick it in. Okay, got the first shadow light in. As y'all can see, it says Camaro, it says in blue. Now that I got the placement to where I want it, I'm going to tighten it in. And I'm going to repeat the same process on the other door panel. Alright, guys, again, since the door panel is off, I'm going to go ahead and add my tweeters and put them in the door. I replaced the factory door speakers years ago, and anyone who has done this in the past, they know that the Camaro comes with factory tweeters that come in doors, and they connect to your I'm not sure exactly what size go on the doors off the top of my head, but I have replaced them. And one thing about these speakers in this car, Camaro, not Camaro, but Chevy, y'all suck at these speakers, because they made these speakers to not come out of this car. Because when I replaced the door speakers, like, I literally had to cut the old speaker out and use the I guess the mounting bracket that the old speaker was attached to. It's like one piece. I had to cut out the old speaker and somehow rig my new speaker into it. But that's not the topic of the video right now. I'm rambling. I apologize. I'm basically just gonna unscrew this right here, pop this off, and stick the new tweeter in. So whenever I get ready to put the door panel back on, I just run some extra wire from this into the actual door speaker. And with my shadow light, I'm simply gonna put a connector on it and add it to the red and black wire that goes into that little ambient light that shines at night. So okay, put the new tweeter in. Struggling to do this with one hand, but basically, put the wire through the hole, stick it back on, and screw it back in. That's it. And it looks like that because it's in the grass, but you guys get a general idea. Okay, the difference in how I got it hooked up now versus how I had it hooked up the first time is, you see, the lights off. And the reason for that being is because when you get your shadow lights, well, at least for this car, it had me wire my original Oracle shadow lights into some of the wires that run to the speaker. So whenever I open the door, the light would always shine. But whenever you try to take the door panel off, you know you would still have the wire from the speaker going into the door where the shadow light was, and I didn't like that. So this time around, as y'all could tell, I have the shadow light running into the ambient light that goes around the inserts of the doors. It's a lot more convenient and better for when you have to remove the door panels, but kind of sucks because the light doesn't come on unless the car has power. So turn the key, comes on. Turn the key off, goes off. But as you can see, they on. I just stuck the door panel on just to show y'all how it looks. I'm still not done with the door panels because where I sanded it on the door to get the scratches off, yeah, that worked, but it's not smooth the way I like it. So I'm still working on redoing the door panels. But so if y'all hadn't already, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. More videos on the way. And before it gets cold, man, I'm gonna try to hit up some car shows around here and get y'all some good footage, man. Alright guys, we're gonna holler at you.